guys, welcome back to my channel. ladonnajanay here. Today I created this orange splash look for you guys. It's not really a tutorial, it's not really a get ready with me. I was just doing my makeup and decided to film it, so I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me. And until my next one, you guys, stay true, stay you, and stay positive. Alright, so I'm going to be going in with the Glow Recipe Pink Juice and Watermelon as my moisturizer. And then I'm going to be going in with the Erborian Extra Matte as my face primer. You just need a little bit of this, not a lot, and I'm going to be putting it in my T-zone area where I get super oily, which is my nose and in under my eyes. Now I'm going in with the NYX Can't Won't Stop Concealer in the color Mohagamy, and this is going to be acting as my eyeshadow primer to make the eyeshadow pop even more. And I'm going to blend it out with my face brush, and then going in with the Nubian 2 palette by Juvia's Place. I'm going to be going in with Morocco, which is kind of like a burnt orange color, and I'm going to be placing this in my crease. It's going to be acting kind of as a transition color, but not really. But yeah, I'm just going to be placing this in wiper motions, and this brush is a dome brush, and it's kind of dense, so I don't know what that means, but yeah. So I'm just going to be placing this and applying the color to my desired liking, to the color payoff that I want. So I'm just going to be swiping, 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 and picking up more color. So that's about the color that I want. Then I'm going to be going in again back into that Nubian 2 palette by Juvia's Place and taking this color in Kenya, which is a kind of dark brown color, and I'm going to be placing it in my outer V area into the crease. I'm going to be doing a quote-unquote cut crease the lazy way. I don't really know how to explain this, but just watch as I do it and you'll understand the concept of what I'm doing. So this is kind of prepping my eye for my cut crease, and I'll be doing the cut crease right now. And I'm going to be taking the color Tangerine from Makeup Forever. This is a loose, or not loose, a single eyeshadow. It's ME-734 Tangerine. I had the hardest time finding this color, you guys. But this is going to be my lid color, and this is what I'm going to be creating my quote-unquote cut crease with. I'm going to spray my brush with the Morphe setting powder to get that metallic finish. This color is a metallic finish, but in order to get it even more intensified, I sprayed it with the brush. And this is going to give me that color that I want. I'm using a short shader brush. I don't know the number of this brush. I got it from AliExpress, so I don't even think there's a number on it. But I will be creating that fake cut crease. With this, you see I don't have any concealer, how a traditional cut crease is done, how they carve out their eye with the concealer. I'm not doing that. I'm just going to be carving it out with just the eyeshadow, and this brush really helps me do that, and also spraying it helped as well because it made it stick. So you guys can just watch, instead of me explaining how to do it, just watch and see how I created this cut crease. now that it's at my desired color and everything, I'm going to be going to my face, and I'm going to be using the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop concealer in the color Mocha. This is Mocha right now. You guys know I don't use foundation. I don't like the feel of it, so I use concealer as my foundation as well as powder. So I'm going in with Can't Stop, Won't Stop in Mocha, and I carved out my eyeshadow to give it that nice sharp edge. And then I'm going to blend it out with my foundation brush, just under my eye, around my nose, around my mouth. That's pretty much where I just put the liquid. And then I'm going to go in with Mohagamy from Can't Stop, Won't Stop, and that's going to be my under eye highlight. And I don't do that triangle motion when I put it on. I just swipe it on under my eye, and then I blend it out in a triangle with a beauty blender. I don't care if my beauty blender is wet or dry. Right now it's dry. I do both. And to set that concealer, I'm going in with the Laura Mercier in Translucent. I normally use the Morphe sponge to set it, but I couldn't find it, so I used this eyeshadow brush, which was super messy and it got all over the place, but whatever, it still did the job. So I'm just setting my under eye in a triangle motion. See, just messy. It was so messy. Plus I had my fan on too, so that didn't help. But I'm just going to set my under eye, let that bake for a little bit, and then I'm going in with the L'Oreal powder foundation in Cocoa, and I'm going to be setting the rest of my face. So I kind of do a powder foundation, and this works for me. I like it. It's not too heavy, and it keeps me matte through the day. And then I'm going to wipe away that Laura Mercier powder, and now I'm bronzing my face with the Black Radiance pressed powder in Ebony with an angled brush. Favorite blush color of all time, Cinnamon from NYX. This color I do believe is discontinued, so I use it very, very limited. And then spin this on the apples of my cheeks, swiping out. So I'm going to be applying the LA Girl Strobe Light Strobing Powder, my all-time favorite highlighter in the color WOC. I go to this every day. I don't use any other color but this because it's inexpensive and the astronauts can see my highlights. So yes. And I'm going to be using a e.l.f. tapered blush to apply it. And then to set all of the powder that I use so I don't look so cakey, I'm going in with the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. And then I will be applying my eyelashes and mascara off camera, and these are in the style E11 from AliExpress. Boom. Oh, she cute. For the lips, I'm going to be using NYX Butter Gloss in Ginger Snap, and I do overline my top lip so my lips can look nice and juicy and big. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos to come. And until my next one, stay true, stay you, and stay positive. Bye!